Hello children, today again we are doing the revision of exercise 2.5, that is identity based sum. Some sums we have done in the previous module and some we are doing in this module. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is verify. First part I am doing for you, second is same. X cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now how to verify this? Now remember, this is one identity. I have written the identities in the previous module, all the identities together. Now this is one of the identity. So you have to learn it also, and now the question is verify it. Now how to verify? You will take right hand side first. So our right hand side is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now this is this expression is binomial, and this polynomial is trinomial. So binomial multiplied by trinomial, this you have already done in class 8. So this x, first term x will multiply by this whole bracket, and the second term y will be multiplied by this whole bracket. X multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square, and plus y second term multiplied by this whole bracket. Now multiply this x now this monomial multiply by this trinomial, means इस x को multiply करना है first term से भी, second term से भी and third term से भी. So x into x square is x cube minus x into xy is x square y and plus xy square. Then this y will be multiplied by this first term, second term and third term also. So plus y into x square is x square y plus minus minus xy square and plus y into y square is y cube. Now check it. Negative x square y and positive x square y cancel. Positive xy square and negative xy square cancel. So what is remaining? X cube plus y cube. That is our left hand side. The LHS equals to RHS. This we have verified. So second part is also same. Just learn the identities. Now question number 10. Only I am giving you the hint of question number 10. Question number 10 is factorize. First part 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. Now first to make it whole cube. Now 27 किसका cube होता है? 3 and y. So we can write this 3y whole cube and plus 5z whole cube. Now which identity? Which we have done in the previous sum. X cube plus y cube equals to x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. By this identity you will solve this sum. Our x is 3y and y is 5z. So in this identity you will put the values and you will get the answer of this. And second part is also same. Second part is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Now 64 is whole cube of 4 and m 4m का whole cube. 64 is the cube of 4 and 343 is the cube of 7. So 7 m cube we can write. So x cube minus y cube identity you have to put in this, which you have done in question number 9. Now question 11. One student asked me in the online class about this question number 11. So I am explaining this question number 11. The question is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So first though we have to make the whole cube. 3x whole cube plus y whole cube and plus z whole cube we can write. Now then x cube plus y cube plus z cube. अब एक आइडेंटिटी होती है x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz. तो माइनस 3 and x we have 3x. and y is y only and z is z only. तो ये आपकी एक आइडेंटिटी बन गई एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz. तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर द आइडेंटिटी. क्या होती है आइडेंटिटी? एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. This is your identity. So put the values in this identity. You have x as 3x, y is y only, z is z only. So put this here. I am rubbing this identity and I am putting the values directly. So x plus y plus z means 3x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and then x square means 3x whole square plus y square means y whole square plus z square means z whole square, minus xy means minus 3x into y, minus yz means minus yz only, and minus zx means z into 3x. Now 3x plus y plus z. So this will be 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. This will be your answer of this question. Now question number 14 we are doing. Question number 14, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Now first part I am taking minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Means this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. But we don't have minus 3xyz. तो जो previous question में हमने use किया identity, that we will not use here. और यहाँ पे numbers is also there. x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So one more identity is there. x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. तो अब इसके लिए क्या कंडीशन होती है? ये आइडेंटिटी कब होती है इक्वल्स टू 3xyz? व्हेन x plus y plus z equals to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. तो x हमारा हो गया -12, ये आपका y हो गया 7 and z हो गया आपका 5. Now put this value in this. तो x plus y plus z, तो minus x plus y plus z equals to -12 plus 7 plus 5. Then -12 and 7 plus 5 is +12. Cancel 0. Means x plus y plus z, we got 0 here. Now if we get 0, x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. तो आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? तो then -12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals to 3 into x into y into z. So 3 into x you have -12, into y you have 7 and z you have 5. तो अब इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है ओनली. तो नेगेटिव में आंसर आएगा 12 3 36 into 35. तो नेगेटिव 36 into 35 करने पे जो भी आपका आंसर आता है दैट विल बी योर आंसर. आई थिंक द आंसर विल बी -1260. दिस विल बी योर आंसर. So this is all your exercise 2.5. Just revise it properly and do properly the mock test also and the PT1 also. Best of luck for your mock test and PT1. Thank you.